Hi guys, it's your boy Jolly Stream 2x2, the jolliest stream in the world. And today I'm playing some Fort Assault and an infection. And I'm doing a little short tutorial because I've been asked by some people while playing this game. I didn't get it on camera. But basically, they want to know how to duplicate guns and infections. To make it basically how they fit in the ammo. And I can say the process is very confusing to some people or players, but rarely simple. So first, you gotta basically find an open area, somewhat like that. Or if you plan on motel or a rooftop is best. Okay, because it's very hard for players to get up there. And basically, you just need somebody else to go up there because you need 2 guns and 2 players. The first step is basically to actually keep switching the guns over and over and over. So when this player get here, I can show you. So right now, I believe he doesn't know how to do it. So I'm gonna throw him my gun and see does he know how to do it. And simply he doesn't know. So of course, that's basically, as you can see, the 2 skins it's 2 different skins on the gun, and as you can see, they are keep switching. So this is basically what you do. So if you look at him, how the gun is floating over his head and stuff, the 2 guys. Basically, all I have to do is just get up close, drop the gun half, and get close to him, and pick a gun up, and basically drop it down somewhere else. And basically, what is it doing? Is it duplicating the gun? Because he has 2 guns in his hand, and he have 2 guns floating over him, basically. Making it seem, I said it wrong. But he has 1 gun in his hand, but 2 guns floating over him. Making it seem like he has 3. So I picked one of the 3 up to actually duplicate it. Once I drop it, I can pick another one up. And I can do it over and over. But word to the wise, don't stack the gun like I'm doing right here, because they can actually despawn and you might lose some gun. And also another tip to the wise, make sure both guns are loaded, all 40 loaded, so that the actual gun duplicates are loaded too. And this thing is to basically keep duplicating over and over till y'all get the fair amount. And that's really pretty much it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, YouTube channel, subscribe, comment on what you think of this video, and y'all have a great day. Jolly Stream 2x2 out.
Don't tell